Hello everyone. Today we are going to open 119 summer seed packs. Let's tingnan natin kung makakakuha tayo ng elephant ears. Fast forward ko yung video, guys. Ayun guys, last one summer seed pack. Baka naman. Well, carrot. Aray ko.